Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package and the sport appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get that lovely tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, blind spot detection, turn light indicated, the XLT logo, and moving to the front real quick, we do get lock heater, we get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpeted interior. You do get, one sec, let me fold this up, under seat storage, which is pretty handy, with storage here, 120 volt USB-C, and you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, lights on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 61 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have My View, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right, we have our gear select. You got your parking brake, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, traction, rear locking dip, four-wheel drive, cup holders, little storage here, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and you do get your center console with more storage with the 12 volt down there. You got your climate controls here with your hazards storage below, and above me we do have a features for a powered rear window opener, which is all pretty handy. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM capabilities. You can put your fave channels here as well, your phone controls, your navigation, music, and your tow and haul mode with all your climate controls at the bottom with dual climate and heated front seats. Clicking in here, we have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay capabilities, sketch, tow and zone lighting, vehicle settings, which is all pretty nice, auto hold, and your backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE30965, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.